Please put your hands together for the Konyak cultural troupe. This morning, they will be performing a lullaby called Now is either sung solo or in groups. This lullaby is sung by the women folk. The intent of the lullaby is to lure and soothe a baby to sleep. This song praises the baby and bestows babies fall asleep fast. There is an element of comparison as well, where one's baby is compared to another baby as the better one. It is believed that singing lullabies to a baby is good for the mental well-being of the baby. It is also believed that singing lullabies bring good fortune to a baby.
Thank you, Konyak Culture Troupe. Up next, performing for us is